क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कहता है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द अपोजिट मीनिंग ऑफ जेनरस। इसका करेक्ट आंसर आपका ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज़ द अपोजिट मीनिंग ऑफ वल्नरेबल, प्रोटेक्टेड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिप्रेजेंट्स द वर्ब इन द सेंटेंस शी हैज़ फिनिश्ड हर होमवर्क, finished. Which of the following is the most appropriate word in the given sentence, he is a man of great। इसका राइट आंसर आपका ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द ऑप्शन विल बी करेक्ट फॉर आई वॉन्टेड टू गो बट इट वॉज रेनिंग, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। इसमें आपकी करेक्ट स्पेलिंग है ऑप्शन बी में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 कहता है टीचर इज टीचिंग टू अ स्टूडेंट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इट्स पैसिव। A student is being taught by a teacher, option C। Which of the following registers stores the result of arithmetic and logical operations? Which of the following register stores the result of arithmetic progression and logical operations? AC register। Which of the following is the correct spelling? Accommodation, option B। Which of the following is the meaning of timid, shy? Then next question नंबर 11 कहता है आपका इसमें हमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, तो आपकी इसमें x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी ऑप्शन बी में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फॉर द सेट्स विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिप्रेजेंट्स a माइनस बी। तो आपका ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है, इसमें ये रॉन्ग है, इसमें ऑप्शंस गलत दिए गए हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहता है आपका द नंबर ऑफ रिलेशंस फ्रॉम सेट ए टू सेट बी इज। तो नंबर ऑफ रिलेशंस निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है आपका 2 raised to the power mn, वेयर m इज़ द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट ए एंड n इज़ द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट बी। तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 4 and 3, 4 से 12, 2 to the power 12। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is the highest common factor of 18, 27 and 108? 9। For the given sets, which of the represents a function from x to y? इसका करेक्ट आंसर आपका ऑप्शन बी। The prime factorization of 96 is 2 raised to the power 5 into 3, option C। Then question number 17, the roots of the given equation are। तो ये क्वेश्चन गलत है, इसमें जो ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं वो गलत है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहता है the degree of the polynomial x minus 2 is 1। Question number 19, the solution of the equations x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 6 is 4 and 2। The letters a, b, c, d, e can be permuted in 120 ways in an arithmetic progression. If a is 28, d is difference is minus 4 and number of terms is 7, then the nth term is 4। The given points form a rectangle। Question number 23, if cos theta is 4 by 5 then the value of tan theta is। इसका राइट आंसर है आपका 3 by 4। Which of the following triangle has equal sides? Equilateral। Next question, question number 25, if the perimeter of a rectangle is 150 cm and the length of one side is 30 cm, the length of the other side will be 45 cm। The given points form a quadrilateral of type square। The midpoint of a line segment joining 2 points A and B is 0, 0। The point which divides the line segments P and Q in the ratio 2:3 is 1, 3। Then the roots of the given equation are 6 and minus 5। 1 minus cos 2a is equal to sin 2a। If sin x is equal to 4 by 5 then the value of cos x will be 3 by 5। In a triangle ABC, the one angle is 120 degree, the value of cos a plus b is root 3 by 2। From a deck of 52 cards, the probability of getting a black card is 26 by 52। The mean of the given data is 8। The mean of the following distribution is। If probability of an event is 1, then what is the probability of not E? 0। A dice of 6 faces is thrown in the air. The probability of getting even numbers is 1 by 2। A card is drawn from the set of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a queen card, 1 by 13। If the side of a square is increased by 15%, the area of the square will be increased by 225%। Which of the following is the mod of the given data below? इसमें आपका आंसर है 9। For a vector a and b, what is the value of a minus 4b? 30, 20। Suppose in given figure triangle ABC is theta, then which of the following is the value of sin theta? 20 by 29। Which of the following is the graph for the following data? Correct answer है आपका ऑप्शन C। Which of the following is the square of 16, 256? The triangle whose sides are 8 and 4 cm respectively, then the area of the triangle would be 16 centimeter square. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. If a marble is drawn at random from box, the probability that blue marble is drawn is 3 by 9. Which of the following is the distance between 2 points 2, 3 and 5, 7? 5. The probability of occurrence of an event is 3 by 5. The probability of not occurrence of the event would be 2 by 5. In the following figure, which of the following is the value of x? 20. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, which of the following is not correct? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन डी. Which of the following is the nature of roots of the given quadratic equation? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन ए, imaginary. The angle between two parallel lines is 180 degree. Which of the following is the value of area of the triangle whose base is 10 cm and altitude is 4 cm? 20. The missing term of the arithmetic progression is 14. The value of cos 180 is -1. Which of the following represents a geometric progression? 9, 27 and 81. One person starts his journey from center O. He moves 5 km to east, again 5 km to south, 5 km to west, and finally 5 km to north. How far away from the center is the person now? 10 km. In the following figure, AC is 50, BD is 30. The value of BC would be 10. Question number 59. Two players X and Y play a tennis match. The probability of X winning the match is 0.6. So the probability of Y winning the match is 0.4. The number of lines which can be passed through a single point is infinite lines. क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. ये क्वेश्चन आपका गलत है क्योंकि इसमें ऑल ऑफ द अबव ऑप्शन में नहीं दिया गया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहता है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रीटेड एज द फास्टेस्ट स्टोरेज SSD. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज C. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ऑड वन. इसका राइट आंसर आपका ऑप्शन ए. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्केड्यूलिंग इज गुड फॉर परफॉर्मेंस वाइज SJF. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट RDBMS. इसका राइट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन बी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज डिफरेंट इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ बिग डेटा वैल्यू. ऑप्शन डी. द बाइनरी नंबर रिप्रेजेंट्स विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम AB. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट रिक्वायर कंपाइलर Python. फॉर अ साइंड इंटीजर number of 8 bit, which of the following is the range of values it will represent? -128 to 127. Which of the following source code algorithm produces optimum code? Huffman. Which of the OSI ISO reference models layer provides the error detection and correction? Data link layer. Which of the following does not require data? Email preparation. Which of the following is not a mail protocol? Outlook. Which of the following is more secure? Password. In a block NK coding, the K represents. इसका राइट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. By the Internet of Things IoT, which is odd? By the Internet of Things, which is odd? Python. Which of the following belongs to the unsupervised category? Clustering. In which of the following the membership is not decided in yes or no? Neural networks. Then question number 80. For the given sets, which of the following gives A intersection B? Correct answer आपका ऑप्शन C. Next, which of the following is the next term of the given series WTQN? L. Ram moves 3 km to east, 3 meter to south, 3 kilometers to east, then finally 2 kilometers to north. How far is he from the point where from he started his journey? ये क्वेश्चन आपका गलत है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहता है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन ऑड वन? जैक फ्रूट. If the cost of 2 mangoes, 1 apple is ₹32 and given that the cost of 1 mango is ₹8, which of the following is the cost of 1 apple? ₹16. Which of the following is missing from term of the horse? Step. इसका राइट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द टाइप ऑफ द गिवन सीरीज 2, 6, 18, 54? GP, geometric progression. In a certain code language, pen is written as 16, 514. Then the given number would represent which of the following? Want. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिप्रेजेंट द नंबर ऑफ ऑड नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 97, 49. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग को म्यूचुअली प्राइम नंबर ऑफ द 5. तो ये आपका क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है. क्वेश्चन देन हमें एक ये डेटा दिया गया था, इसके बेसिस पे हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 से 93 तक आंसर करना था. Question number 90. Which of the following represents the total number of students who study management? 15. The total number of students who study math is represented by 18. Then question number 92 and 93. ये दोनों क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है. बेसिकली जितने भी क्वेश्चन इस पेपर में रॉन्ग है उसमें ऑप्शन रॉन्ग दिए गए. Question number 94. For the following statement, which of the following conclusion options is true? Some boats are cars. Which of the following relation is symmetric? A relation between two sisters. Then question number 96. 5 boys APRTS are seated in a circular row. Which of the following is sitting between S and P? तो बेसिकली ये एक इनकम्प्लीट क्वेश्चन है, इसलिए रॉन्ग होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 96. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 97. इफ़ अ रेक्टेंगुलर फ्लोर साइज इज 11 by 16 meters is to be covered by a cloth, which of the following is the total amount cloth required? 176 meters. Which of the following is the largest number which can be represented by 2 decimal symbols? ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट है. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 99, ये आपका इनकरेक्ट है, इसमें क्वेश्चन ही अधूरा दिया गया है. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 100, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मिरर इमेज ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड? इसका करेक्ट आंसर आपका ऑप्शन सी.